trying to get a picture of it, but I didn't.
Why not?
Because I was doing Daddy was kind of faster. He saw it from a little tiny bit. And then he
almost fell off of this swing. So
me and Josie have cousin telepathy. We've been saying everything at the same time, and the same thing at the same time all the time, and we've been swinging at the same time. So yeah.
that's nice. Okay, so we are. Oh wait, is that a barbecue? Okay.
Huh?
Wonder why they have that.
I'll get streams coming.
Oh.
This is it.
Okay, well, this is a political barbecue. We just determined. Anyways, we are at the city park here, and we've been kayaking, and me and Ezra just came here to swing and to cool off because it's really hot outside today. And I don't know why. What?
I'm just gonna throw up. I have a little too much just getting ready.
That's nasty. My legs hurt. It's hot. It's really hot. There's all kinds of people here. I wish there was just no one here because that's how it normally is. Oh gosh.
What?
Do you guys want to see down here? Am I gonna fit this? Yes, almost.
No, let's take them down the slide.
Do you want to? Let's go.
I'll go first, and you follow up.
Okay.
Here we go.
It's really hot.
Rohini's Cowabunga!
Sometimes there's wasp nests in here. Is there? No. Okay. Oh gosh.
Okay, let's go down the blue slide now. Wait, you go up there and I'll try to pull you up, okay?
Wait, I'll be on top of the blue side and then I'll watch you.
No, you have to try to pull me up from right here.
I wonder what I'm gonna do that.
Well, I'll get up there and then try to pull me up from right here, yellow quick.
I'll die.
You just pull me up, okay? Go!
Wait, let me climb.
Get up there, hurry!
Gosh. This is very difficult. Sorry. Sorry. Oh man. I'm afraid, but I'm gonna
go. Go.
I'm going.
Just your foot. Go.
Stop. Stop. So scared. So. It's not safe. It's not safe. Oh gosh, I'll sit down there. Whew. That was hard.
Hang on. Get in position.
What would happen if this thing just fell?
That was bad. And then would get seriously hurt. You ready? And go! Why? Help! You gotta help me!
I can't do this.
Why did the GoPro down? Help me, no! Ow! Ow! It's stuck in my stomach.
Get on top of the slide.
I can't.
Why?
You can't. I can't.
Fine. I will. What's the guy over there?
Bye!
He's just kidding. Let me get up here. One-handed. Oh my goodness. Sorry for the wonderful camera angles. Oh gosh. This is not amazing. Okay. What if there's a wasp up here? Okay. Ready? Go down. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay. Well, that's basically what we're doing right now. So.
What's up,
Ezra's gonna show you guys how it sounds whenever he goes down this slide and I do this. Here you go. Make sure you keep it on yourself, and remember, there's people watching this.
Hi! Oh my gosh, bombs! They're shooting at us! Now, since that's over, run! Hi guys. So yeah, I stole the camera from you guys, and now I'm running into the woods. To the woods. Okay.
Oh no.
Where is it? Ow.
That was the worst idea. Okay, I fixed the camera, so I'll have to make sure it's waterproof still. Whoops. So let's not throw it ever again.
Yeah, you told me.
Well, I know, but that you shouldn't listen to me. You know, I'm not really smart, especially whenever it comes to not breaking things. So, oh, there's people here. Okay, I'll see you guys. They are both my sons. There's a band buddy over there. I don't know if he should be on camera. Maybe him. Both my sons.
That is my son.
There he is. That's Daddy. All the way up to there. I think it is. See him by the trees, guys?
Yeah,
Yep, I'm pretty sure that's him. Pretty sure. Wow.
that is my son.
We're about to go kayaking. I ran all the way from over there, so I'm quite tired. But okay, so I'm getting my clip mount for the GoPro. And the waterproof door. Okay, I'll see you on the kayak. There's Ezra. We're not at the birthday party yet. We're kayaking. I'm gonna let my GoPro to the camera. Yeah. Hello guys, once again, so it's the next day and I did not film any at the birthday party. So, sorry about that, but hopefully you'll get over it. So, this is, I guess, the end of this vlog, because I'm about to edit it right now. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye.